Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent fly is back.
So I'm fresh off of getting my bite out of the tree over there. I was sweating like a slave. So now I'm about to fly this guy, the A280 from XK, and I have a 3S pack in here. Check it out, a GMB 300 milliamp hour 3S. I did swap out the power lead to this plane to XT30 in order to do this test, and so we're about to take it up in the air. I think it might be a little heavier than the stock battery, which was 2S, but it was a higher milliamp hour, but I'm not sure. But it's very similar in weight now, so I figured it shouldn't be too bad. I'm gonna toss this guy up in the air and see how it flies on 3S. Again, I'm flying it with the Boxer, so let's go check it out. Smash the like button if you're coming in the building. Make sure you smash the like button. It's always appreciated when you smash the like button. Back out here at the park again, where I love to fly at. So let's get her in the air, y'all. See if it flies with 3S without getting a puff of magic smoke. But here we go. Okay, so no smoke. Get her in the air. Let's try the other direction. We're up high. And the sun is killing me. Uh-oh. We lost all power. I think we might have overheated it or something. I don't know. I'm glad it didn't do that over the tree though. It's flashing as if the battery is dead already. I know the battery isn't dead, so it's probably overheated. Hopefully it did. Hopefully it didn't smoke. Let's see. Do we have any power? No power, y'all. So we might have lost. I'm pretty sure the battery didn't just die. But maybe the ESC just can't take 3S. It's just flashing. Let me unplug it and then plug it back up and see what happens. I don't think that the battery is dead. The ESC still sounded up. Let's see if we're bound. Yes, we are bound, but it's not letting me get any throttle. Maybe the battery is dead. I don't know. Let me see. I'm gonna swap this battery out. I do have another one out here that I was flying inside the little bike plane. And so I guess if I plug that in here and it doesn't start up still, then being that the motor isn't spooling up, that would mean that the ESC conked out, or maybe the motor, because the ESC did sound off. I'm not sure, but let's go get it and see what happens. This battery doesn't seem too hot, but let's go get the other one. So we are back with it. I have the other battery. This battery by no means would be fully charged, but it should be charged enough just to get these props to spool up, this prop to spool up, whatnot. So let's see. Okay, let's bind it. Seems like it's bound. And so the battery was spent that quick. Sheesh. That's crazy. That's what it appears have happened. It is flashing though, so this battery is dead as well. But the other one was flashing a little more rapid. So it was flying. I can say that. I'm scared to fly it again with this battery being dead like that. Maybe I'll just bring it around and bring it in for a landing. Let's try. It wasn't giving me any aileron. Wow, I'm surprised at how well this thing is flying slow right now. Makes me not want to land it. Let's see if I can fly it slow like this. It doesn't want to pitch down though. It doesn't want to give me any elevator down. I don't know why. Only when I get off the throttle does it allow me to give down elevator. I don't know why they programmed it like that. Okay, let's try to bring it in for a landing. And the battery is at LVC, low voltage warning. And so I guess it's fair to say that this guy does fly with 3S. I guess my other battery, I thought it was fully charged, but it wasn't apparently, or maybe it just died that quick because I was gunning the throttle. It was up pretty high. It was fighting some fierce winds up there. But all in all, it does work. I think we really don't need 3S. I think 2S is fine. This bird flies well and has enough power with 2S for me to feel like I don't really need to mess with 3S. And so it's the Miss Kentucky State, the XK A280 from AliExpress. I'll have a link in the description for you to check it out. Again, there's something going on with their website. I don't see any of the codes or anything anywhere on the pages. And so it's a pretty decent price though. You should be able to get this for a little over 100 bucks. And make sure y'all smash the like button on the way out. Until next time, thanks for watching.